Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions. Do you want to install Neofetch on your Kali Linux 2021.3? Neofetch displays information about your operating system, software and hardware in an aesthetic and visually pleasing way. Let's install it. Open Terminal app on your Kali Linux. Do an apt update. It is mandatory. Done updating? You can install Neofetch using apt install command. This may take a while. It's done. Neofetch is successfully installed on your Kali Linux. You can start it from within the terminal as shown. It's beautiful. You must be seeing your system information in an aesthetic and visually pleasing way. Enjoy using it. Thanks for watching. Good day.